Hi, Dr. Christopher Bingham here, Counselor Oak Perio. I just wanted to take this opportunity to welcome you to our practice. Whether you're being referred for a broken tooth, for an implant, have gum disease, gum recession, biopsy, or some other dental issue, we're here to help create confident, healthy smiles for our patients. As a second-generation periodontist, my passion is delivering expert periodontal care for optimal oral health. With my compassionate professional team, you're in great hands. We'll take excellent care of you each and every step of the way. Before your first appointment, we'll reach out to your general dentist to gather any important information, including the reason for your visit and any recent x-rays. Your first visit will last about an hour. During this time, we'll collect all of the data we need for a complete clinical exam, including any necessary additional x-rays and periodontal charting. Afterward, I'll create a personalized treatment plan just for you. We'll go over your options so you can feel confident about your next steps. This allows us to fully customize your care and ensure the best possible results. If you're coming for an oral biopsy or crown lengthening, then your treatment may be able to be completed the same day. My team and I look forward to meeting you and helping create a confident, healthy smile that you deserve.